Alright, I got 5 packs of Bowman First Edition here. And not sure how many I'm going to open, but we'll at least open one. See how this goes. Alright, we got Ethan Hankins, Nick Madrigal, Alex Kuriloff, Miguel Vargas, Riley Green, Nick Allen, Royce Lewis Sky Blue, Alec Bowen, Brennan Davis, and Travis Swaggerty. Let's do another. Alright. Looks like we got a similar pack here. Royce Lewis is on the back. Alright. Jannar Encarnacion. Cabrian Hayes. Get centered here. There we go. Robert Paulson. Let's put that one aside. Logan Gilbert. Grayson Rodriguez. Leody Tavares. Reese Hands. Ryan Rawlson. Josiah Gray. And there's that Royce Lewis again. Alright, let's do another. Alright, we got a Frodis Nova, Bryce Terang, Isaac Paredes, Jonathan India, Miguel Amaya, Drew Mendoza, Ronnie Mauricio Sky Blue, Jesus Sanchez, Braylon Marquez, and Mason Denneberg. Alright, 2 left. Can we hit a Dominguez? That's not a Dominguez, but that's a different Yankee. A little Estevan Florial on the back there. Alright. Bobby Dalbec, Eric Pardihino, Seth Beer, Shane Baz, Jaron Duran, Joey Bart, Joey Cantillo, Grant Levine. Oh, there's another good one. Bobby Witt Jr. And that Florial. Alright. Last pack. I got Christian Posh on the back there. Alright, looks like another Sky Blue. Joe Adell, Nolan Gorman, Gus Varland, Jared Kalenic, Glenn Allen Hill Jr., Josiah Gray, Sixto Sanchez, Joe Ryan, Adam Hall, and Christian Posh. Unfortunately, I did not open my other packs on video earlier. It was working, so I did not do that. I did get this Nick Lodolo, which is really odd because it's a paper front, but it's a shiny foil back, which is really strange. I also got Joe Ryan Gold /50, Dane Dunning Yellow /75, Jordan Groshans and Ethan Hankins both /150, and then Sky Blues, Everson Pereira, Sherton Apostol, Jesus Sanchez, Ryan Montcastle, Brady Singer, Nate Pearson, and another blue Dane Dunning. And then the best card I got out of the 20 packs I purchased was, of course, I got one of the Jasson Dominguez's. It seems to be very nicely centered. And it looks good as far as corners. So it might be something I will get graded in the future. But that was my 5-pack Bowman First Edition break. Thank you.